A sweet surprise. Unveiling the power of figs. Welcome, nutrition navigators. Figs are more than just a sweet treat. These little gems are bursting with nutrients. Don't let their small size fool you. Figs pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Get ready to discover the amazing advantages of adding figs to your diet. Your body will thank you. Figs have been enjoyed for centuries. They are mentioned in ancient texts and revered for their flavor and versatility. But did you know they're also nutritional powerhouses? Let's dive into the world of figs and uncover their secrets to better health and well-being. Fig-tastic nutrition, a look inside this tiny fruit. What makes figs so special? It's their incredible nutritional profile. Figs are an excellent source of dietary fiber. This means they help keep your digestive system running smoothly. But that's not all. Figs are also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are like superheroes for your cells. They fight off harmful free radicals, protecting your body from damage. This can lead to a lower risk of chronic diseases. Who knew such a small fruit could have such a big impact? But wait, there's more. Figs are a good source of essential minerals like potassium and copper. Potassium is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Copper plays a crucial role in iron absorption and energy production. Figs even provide a boost of vitamin C, an important antioxidant that supports your immune system. Digestion and beyond. How figs keep you feeling your best. Let's talk about fiber. Figs are fiber superstars. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. A happy gut means a happy you. But the benefits of fiber don't stop there. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially important for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight. By slowing down sugar absorption, figs can help prevent those dreaded sugar crashes. Feeling sluggish? Figs can help with that too. The fiber in figs provides a slow and steady release of energy. This means you'll feel fuller for longer and avoid those energy dips throughout the day. Heart healthy and oh so sweet. More perks of eating figs. Did you know that figs can be good for your heart? It's true. Figs contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. So by incorporating figs into your diet, you can support healthy blood pressure levels. But that's not all. Figs also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, including heart disease. By reducing inflammation, figs may help protect your heart and keep it strong. And let's not forget about bone health. Figs are a good source of calcium, a mineral essential for strong bones. Getting enough calcium in your diet can help prevent osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures. Figure out your favorites, enjoying figs in countless ways. Ready to add some fig-tastic goodness to your life? You're in luck. Figs are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Enjoy them fresh, dried, or incorporated into your favorite dishes. Fresh figs are a delightful treat on their own. Their sweet, juicy flesh is a true taste of summer. Look for figs that are plump and slightly soft to the touch. You can also grill or roast fresh figs for a warm and caramelized flavor. Dried figs are a concentrated source of nutrients and make for a convenient and portable snack. They have a chewy texture and a rich caramel-like flavor. Add chopped dried figs to trail mixes, yogurt parfaits, or oatmeal for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Figs also lend themselves beautifully to both sweet and savory dishes. Add them to salads, pizzas, or cheese boards for a touch of sweetness. Their unique flavor pairs well with cheeses like goat cheese, blue cheese, and brie. Join the Fig Fan Club. Share your delicious discoveries. Congratulations! You've unlocked the incredible health perks of figs. From boosting digestion to supporting heart health, figs offer a wide range of benefits. So go ahead, indulge in these tiny but mighty fruits. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to enjoy figs? Share your delicious discoveries and fig-inspired recipes in the comments below. Let's spread the fig love. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.